here. Right here. Come over here, Eli. Tash should take it a minute so he'll try to go and walk in yonder and follow you.
Yummy.
Well, careful now, though. That lid may pop and you don't want them things to... Well, go get your bite. Go get bite.
Oh, he wants this. Here comes Pet. Mom.
You want to bring him back to Grandma? Bite.